So my mom asks me, being the ever-curious person that she is, so how do you get on the boat? And how does the boat stay upright when it's on the dirt? And for that matter, how does it get out of the water and back in? Well, it dawned on me that a lot of people probably don't really understand this process. And to be honest, it really is quite fascinating. So here you go. Our sailboat Makara is an Ed Monk sea raker that is 50 feet long and 30 tons in weight. It's a pretty large boat with a full keel, really sturdy and really stable. We just love it to death. And here's how they get it back into the water. Well, there's a really big lift. And this is where it gets interesting. You can see the gentleman there that is directing the driver what to do and how to maneuver things. And this is really, really cool because they have to get everything completely balanced for the boat to be stable and upright. Once they feel good that it's stable, then they start lifting and pull away the stands that hold it in place, and it's on the hard. This is where it gets really interesting. The maneuverability and the skills of these guys to take our boat from land and bring it to the water, maneuvering it around all these other boats and not knocking one over. Pretty cool. As the boat gets closer to the dropping in point, you can see the yard dogs. They've actually been trained to guide the boat into the proper position. Now, isn't that cool? Ha, just kidding. And we're off.